Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My YouTube channel is for money. I'm going to show you a site. It's called the PaidViewpoint and tell you how you can make money from it. It is actually a very simple site to use for paid series. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and make a quick like. Let's get into it. So the first thing that I want to show you here in the top, you can see your earnings. Since last time you had a payout here, you have to have made another 15 before you can request a payout to, and you can request out to PayPal, and that's of course one of the important things here. There is this little trade school service every day. They also pay a tiny bit. It is not very much, but it is still worth doing to eventually be able to get the points and get higher pay every time you do a service. And when you log in, it says one survey is waiting. You can also do that. You go to the setting. There is general settings. That's where you set up the passwords, but also you can set it up so you get an email every time there is a survey available, so don't have to go to the site to check and just to go through the last few points. Here in the menu here, your earnings, that's just detailed about your earnings, and where you request the payout once you reach the $15. That's where you update your profile if you have had changes, education, job, income, phone, whatever, all these different things, so they can match the service with new trade school details about that. And here you see friends. That means it says you can earn up to $25 for referring, and that doesn't mean you get it as soon as you invite a friend, but there is a link. If you click here, you can go in and get a link and you can send it to friends to invite, and if they join, you will get a small commission from this side, PaidViewpoint, when your friends do surveys as well. And then here are the settings. That's where you do the setup, the passwords, and then the mail settings, so you get notifications. Very simple setup of PaidViewpoints. You can see it is fairly simple to use, and it is also one of the service sites that has a very short compared to others. They usually take maximum 5 minutes and then pay fairly well for that times as well. So it is a very easy site to use, very simple, very easy. Just be aware that how many surveys you will actually be able to take very strongly depends on where in the world you live, so you kind of have to check out how many surveys they offer in your area. You can sign up no matter where in the world you are, but exactly how many surveys you will be able to get, it is difficult to say. So yeah, that's just one that I want to show you about PaidViewpoint. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments or anything, you can leave me a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and make a quick like. Stay safe and goodbye.